Welcome to your channel. If you are looking for tips to live in a healthy way, follow us and subscribe to Healthy and Happy channel. There is approximately no cooking without black pepper, which gives a wonderful savor and taste, as it is one of the most trendy spices in the globe. Black pepper is deemed to be one of the most familiar spices added to European kitchen and what follows. The spice content in black pepper is accredited to the chemical piperine, and should not be puzzled with the capsaicin, which gives pepper its warm flavor. The black pepper, Piper guineense, belongs to family Piperaceae and widely cultivated in West Africa. The medical properties of Piper guineense are due to phytochemicals as alkaloids occur in leaves and seed excerption. The plant also comprises flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and antiplatelet properties. They have the might to lower cholesterol. The studies revealed that the plant encompasses vitamins, minerals, crude protein, carbohydrate, and fat. The EOS content is about 0.1 to 5%. The peroxide value and free fatty acids constituents are low. The agar dispersion method and minimum restraining concentration were used to study the influence of both aqueous and ethanolic excerptions of Piper guineense on some bacteria and fungi. It was revealed that the leaf extracts of Piper guineense barred the growth of all tested bacteria and was highly effective against E. coli. It was found that the ethanolic abstract was more powerful against aqueous one. It was concluded that water and ethanol extracts of black pepper had high antioxidant and scavenging leverage against different antioxidant coordination. Using black pepper in food not only adds flavor, but also the health benefit that protects the body from many diseases because it contains many different minerals and vitamins. There are lots of health benefits for black pepper that we will mention some of them. 1. A number of studies have shown that black pepper is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, which helps to strengthen the mucus defense in the stomach and thus reduce peptic ulcers troublesome for many persons. 2. Black pepper contains antibacterial and antibacterial properties and thus helps in preventing tooth decay. 3. Black pepper has many benefits for the digestive system, as it stimulates the secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, and promotes the digestion of proteins and other food components, which helps in improving the digestion process. 4. It participates in cleaning the body and stomach easily from harmful gases. 5. The outer layer of black pepper contains piperine that is able to reduce the percentage of fat and fight obesity by preventing the formation of new fat cells and raising the level of good cholesterol in the body and thus weight loss. 6. Black pepper maintains the intestinal health and integrity. It prevents the growth of bacteria in it and also helps prevent the formation of intestinal gases. 7. It helps maintain the cleanliness of the arteries by scraping excess cholesterol from the walls and vessels in the heart. This contributes to reduce the hardening of the arteries, which greatly leads to the occurrence of heart attacks and stroke. 8. Black pepper has wonderful benefits in preventing cancer, especially breast cancer, as the piperine present in it helps prevent the growth of cancer cells. 9. Black pepper is a natural expectorant that helps break up mucus and phlegm deposits in the respiratory tract due to the common cold. 10. It contains chemicals that irritate the mucous membranes, helping to rid the nasal passages of germs and clean them by inducing a sneeze or cough and make breathing easier. Have you ever added black pepper to your food? Tell us in the comments below. Enjoy this video. Press like, share and subscribe.